know you want this car, man. Nah, I want the truck. Hey, you want a bet, man? I know you want to take that car. You don't want to take this car. Look out, man. Man, where my stickers go? Oh, I'm about to be mad.
You let me have one?
Yeah.
What do you have right here? Okay.
I got this one right. I mean, nah, other side. Bet 5. Yeah, man, I give you 10 to 5. Hey, man, you want 10 to 5? I know you want that. That sounds good, boy. Ooh.
Pass on that one, man.
All right. 10 to 5? You want it?
Huh?
10 to 5. You can get right here. I'll give you 10 to 5. Come on with it, man.
That's that convincing.
Yeah, 10 to 5, you can't beat it. You got way better odds than me. You gonna win double. See, he might red light. You might be getting lucky. I'm telling you, you ought to take that bet. He might red light. You win. 10 to 5. Fuck it, 20 to 10. That's even better. See? I tried to give it to you. I was begging you, man. I was begging you. Look, yo, you would have won.
You made a phone call before this shit.
I told his ass. Here, man, get your free sticker, man. Whichever one you want. Yep, you too. Rip it off if you don't want it. You get whichever one you want. It's free, man. It's for you. Yeah, you can just start ripping. Already, where the rest of them go? They passing them out? All right, bet. What is it? Go ahead. Okay, bet. Hell yeah, I done won. I got me a W, y'all. Somebody talking about my voice sound familiar. Ta-da! It's me. Thank you. It's Lookout Racing, y'all. Yeah, man, that's me, man. Yeah, you probably seen me on You probably seen me driving. Okay. He's trying to show y'all he can handle it. He's trying to show y'all he can handle it. Hey, you needed some stickers, right?
Huh?
That was you wanted some stickers. Who the hell?
Yeah, I want one of them.
Here, y'all get them.
Hey, give me.
Huh? Okay, here you go. Here, y'all pass them out, man. You gotta rip them off, man.
I'm not putting on my car.
You gonna put it on your car? Appreciate it, man.
They hug.
Red light. Yeah, I'll bet you again. I got action. You got action? Let me see what's coming up, man. Let me see if I like what's coming up. Let me see. I like, I think that's my partner in that blue. If that's that blue Camaro, I'm betting with the blue Camaro. Oh, damn, this, damn.
I bet I got.
I take the blue one. That's my partner.
I bet. Fuck it. Bet the 10.
Bet the 10. Bet the 10.
All right, bet.
All right, bet. Oh shit, y'all! I got another grudge race, y'all.
Hey, we
Bet for the 10. We finna do it one more time for the 10.
Straight out of the east side, we coming.
Out of the east side, eat that up. Texas.
We out here.
Here come a good one, y'all. Let's see if I can continue getting money, or is the saga over? So better get out the way.
I know that blue bad. They both fast, they ain't gonna get out. Fuck that, nah. No race, no race.
Silver Camaro. Nah, I'm betting with the blue one. He bet with the silver. they told me to bet with the silver. Yo. See the blue one, the blue one got more I like the blue one because he got the drag pack in the front of that bitch. You hear me? You think I should take the gray one? Nah, I ain't taking the gray one.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, next race.
Next race? Bet. Next race. Blue look good. Hey man, I hope the gray win now. I hope the gray win. He's finna red light now. He's finna red light. You done messed it all up now.
They told me don't do it.
No, you should have stayed on your bet. You finna see.
All right, fuck it. Stay on the bet. Fuck it.
All right, fuck. God damn. He said he back on it, y'all. All right, we finna see what's finna happen. Here we go. Here we go. They said he finna lose, y'all. They said he finna lose. I'm finna lose.
I don't know, man.
I don't know. Well, hey.
Best driver.
Hey. We both taking the chance.
He's the best driver at this point.
Make sure y'all share, man. Like the video, just do something.
Hey, you on live or what?
Yeah, we live on Facebook and YouTube. But I prefer you to go to YouTube.
What's your YouTube name?
Lookout Racing.
Lookout Racing?
Yeah.